Welcome. In front of me is a Amazon Fire phone, and today I will show you how to change date and time settings. So starting off, we'll need to open up the settings app, and to do it you have two different options. You can either pull down from the bottom the entire app drawer and you will see it right here, or you can also pull down the notification panel and you will also see it right here. So I'm just going to tap on it, and from here you want to go down to device, which is visible right on the bottom. And then the first option in that category will be change the date and time. Tap on it. And here, by default, it's set to automatic. So if you want to change it, you just need to turn it off. And now you can actually select date. Choose whatever date you like by just scrolling it down, up or down, and confirm it to change it. And time setting have the same kind of principle. Choose like by scrolling down or up. And you also have PM or AM, as long as you have the 12-hour clock. If you turn it off, or basically on in this case, it will change into a 24-hour clock, and now you don't have PM or AM, you will have the 24-hour clock. And you can also choose or change the time zone right here. Select which one is yours, and if you do, previously, let's see, it was 1827, at least that's what it's set to right now. And if I, for instance, change to some other one, as you can see now it's 127. So mind you that if you change the time zone, the time will change as well. So that is basically how you change it. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.